Alright, dear friends and family, this is Towhid today, and I hope you're doing great. After a long time, I've come in front of the camera, right? And I am very excited to come here. After coming here, I thought I should make some videos from my well wisher. Those are trying to learn English. I should make some videos for them, right, bro? So don't worry about your English. Just try to speak confidently. You're not an English learner. You are an English speaker. You have to think like this way. You are not an English learner. You are an English motivational speaker. You are giving your speech in front of the camera. No. You are giving your speech in front of the crowd, in front of the public place. You have to think like this. People are watching you. You're feeling so hesitant, right? Don't worry about it. Just believe in yourself, everything will be possible. And very well, you're very enthusiastic for your dream, for learning English. But you are not being able to figure out the best way. You're not being able to figure out the best way of learning English. So what should you do? What can you do? You can go on YouTube, then you can search English videos, English motivational videos. Then you will get many videos from there. And grab a video and try to understand. Try to understand English. Never translate. Stop translating, bro. Try to think in English and try to listen English videos every single day. When I talk about this matter, when I talk or when I discuss this matter, people are feeling bored. I don't know why are you boring. Dear brother, sister, this is the right way. This is the best way of learning English. That's why you have to start your journey from here, not there. You have to listen English videos every single day. You have to watch English videos every single day. But you are not doing this thing because you want to get instant pleasure. You want to get instant pleasure. And you are looking for the best way. What is the best way? What is the right way? And you are sending SMS. Brother, please help me. I cannot speak English. What is the best way? And what should I do? What can I do? You are sending SMS every single day, but you are not getting the best result that you expected. So leave it. Give it up. Start your journey from here. Start your English journey from here. Try to listen English videos every single day.